To install Windows 11 Moment 3 update and unlock new features, you can now download and install Windows 11 Moment 3 22S2 feature update via Windows Update and Microsoft Update Catalog. With Windows 11, Microsoft has switched to one major feature update per year cycle, but the company wants to maintain the hype around its OS. Microsoft is now offering a new feature previewed updated called Moment 3. Available for eligible PC running the Windows 11 22S2 Moment are optional cumulative updates, including feature or improvements which will ship in Microsoft July Patch Tuesday update. With Moment updates, Microsoft aims to deliver minor new feature and improvements outside the earlier release. Since the update is a cumulative monthly style update, it doesn't have an official name. It is known as KB50264446 and can be downloaded like any other update, but you must turn on an optional toggle to access the new features. Install Moment 3 update on Windows 11 22S2. To install Windows 11 Moment 3 update, use these steps. Open settings, go to Windows Update, click on check for updates, click on download and install button. Next to optional update, restart your PC, about settings, system about, and make sure your build number version is 22.621.1778 22S2 or greater. Go back to the Windows Update page. Next to the get the latest update as soon as they are available. Set the toggle to on. Finally, check for updates again to download the Windows configuration update, which requires a reboot to finish installing. Once done, you will have access to all Moment 3 feature. You can always turn off the toggle or keep it on and you will still get the regular security updates. It is worth noting the Moment 3 feature will be enabled by default in Windows 11 June 2023 optional update. The July 2023 Patch Tuesday update will automatically download and install with all Moment 3 feature. If you can't wait or do not see the optional update when you check for updates or the update is not installed, follow these steps. Install Windows 11 Moment 3 update manually. Open Edge or Chrome and visit the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Use the search bar at the top right corner and look for KB50264446. Click on download next to the package that matches your requirement, version number and architecture. Open the .msu file to initiate the initialize process. Click yes if prompted by the user account control USC. The Windows Update installer will verify the update compatibility and check for updates. You can turn off your internet to speed up the process and begin the installing of the patch. Once done, you must install the Windows configuration update by following the above steps and reboot the system. What's new in Windows 11 Moment 3 update? Microsoft is adding support for live caption of additional languages in this update, such as Chinese, simplified and traditional, French, Canada, German, Japanese, Spanish and more. The in-app voice access command help page undergoes a makeover in this update. Each command now has a description and example variation. Imagine asking your system, what can I say? Being presented with a help page offering a host of voice command. This feature now supports English dialects such as English UK, English India, English New Zealand, English Canada and English Australia, making it more inclusive for diverse user bases. Also, Windows has added new text selection and editing voice commands, meaning you can dedicate text transformation like bold that or italize that to enrich your document without leaving the keyboard. Simplified two-factor authentication and improvement. File Explorer. The Moment 3 update simplifies two-factor authentication by adding a copy button for 2FA codes, eliminating the need for manual typing from notification toast. For instances imaging receiving a 2FA code from your email app, you can quickly copy it using the feature and paste into the desired field. Further, File Explorer gets access key shortcuts in context menu, allowing user to execute command using keyboard shortcut quickly. Security and privacy upgrades. Windows 11 now display VPN status in the system trace, signaling user about their secure network connection status. This update also introduces a new multiple app queuing mode, allowing administrator to specify which apps can run on devices, thus securing device in the multi-user scenarios like frontline workers, education, can retail. Improvement system management. The new update introduce live kernel memory dump, LCD collection from task manager and powerful tool for system diagnostic while the OS continues functioning. Picture and unresponsive programming causing issue. With LKD, you can collect the data on the issue without causing is a full system halt. Moreover, the touch keyboard setting have been revamped, offering user more control over when and how it appears, making it boon for convertible device and tablet display and devices management. Windows 11 Movement 3 now includes content adaptive brightness control (CABC) for laptops and two-in-one devices. This feature dynamically adjusts display brightness based on content, balancing battery life and optimal visual experience. Further, a new USB 4 hubs and devices settings page adds in troubleshooting and understanding system capabilities for systems that support USB 4. Additional improvements. Several other additional are featured in this update. The clock on the system tray can now display seconds. The setting search is faster and the print screen by key behavior has been changed to open the snipping tool by default. Cloud and integration search suggestions are now improved for a simplified Chinese using the input method editor IME. A presence sensor privacy settings has also been introduced, allowing user to select apps that can access presence sensor, thus increasing user privacy control. Lastly, a limit of 20 most recent tabs is now applied to settings affecting the number of tabs appearing when using Alt plus tab and Snap Assist. Overall, Windows 11 Movement 3 introduces many improvements to enhance user experience and productivity while further strengthening security, privacy, and system control.